Here's what they have to say about the future of financial technology. The rise of digital banking. The digital banking landscape is rapidly evolving, with new technologies and innovations emerging all the time. The future of finance is digital, and AI is poised to revolutionize the way we manage our money. The rise of AI-powered financial assistance. The integration of artificial intelligence, AI, in the financial sector is transforming the way we interact with our money. AI-powered financial assistants are becoming increasingly sophisticated, and their impact will be felt across various aspects of personal finance. Key features of AI-powered financial assistance. Biometric authentication. AI-powered financial assistants will utilize biometric authentication methods, such as facial recognition, fingerprint scanning, or voice recognition, to verify users' identities. This allows banks to better assess and mitigate potential risks, reducing the likelihood of costly errors. The rise of generative AI in banking. Generative AI is transforming the banking industry in various ways, from data management to risk assessment. Its impact is being felt across the sector, with many institutions adopting this technology to improve their operations. Data management and efficiency. Generative AI is revolutionizing the way banks manage their data. By leveraging machine learning algorithms, these systems can analyze vast amounts of information, identify patterns, and make predictions. This enables banks to streamline data processing and reduce manual errors, improve data quality and accuracy, enhance customer experience through personalized services. Risk assessment and mitigation. One of the most significant benefits of generative AI in banking is its ability to create clear, behavior-based risk profiles. This allows banks to assess and mitigate potential risks more effectively, reduce the likelihood of costly errors, improve compliance with regulatory requirements. Automation and time savings. Generative AI is also automating tasks in banking, freeing up staff to focus on higher value activities. Harnessing the power of data exhaust to revolutionize finance. The rise of data-driven finance. The financial industry is undergoing a significant transformation, driven by the exponential growth of data exhaust. This phenomenon refers to the vast amounts of data generated by consumer activity, such as transactions, browsing habits, and social media interactions. As this data becomes increasingly accessible, financial institutions and tech companies are leveraging it to create more personalized and effective financial solutions. The power of data analytics. Data analytics plays a crucial role in harnessing the power of data exhaust. By analyzing vast amounts of data, companies can identify patterns, trends, and insights that inform their financial products and services. For instance, a bank may use data analytics to identify high-risk customers and offer targeted risk management solutions, develop personalized investment portfolios based on individual customer behavior, optimize marketing campaigns to reach specific demographics and interests. The blurring of boundaries. As data analytics becomes more prevalent, traditional financial institutions and tech ecosystems are blurring into a more intuitive and interconnected financial landscape. This convergence is driven by the increasing availability of data and the development of new technologies that enable seamless integration. APIs and data sharing. The use of application programming interfaces, APIs, and data sharing platforms is facilitating the exchange of financial data between institutions and companies. The rise of AI-powered financial services. The financial services industry is on the cusp of a revolution, driven by the convergence of artificial intelligence, AI, and blockchain technology. This synergy is poised to transform the way we manage our finances, making it more convenient, cost-effective, and secure. The role of AI in financial services. AI is increasingly being used to provide hyper-personalized financial advice, taking into account individual preferences, risk tolerance, and financial goals. This personalized approach enables users to make informed decisions about their financial well-being, rather than relying on one-size-fits-all solutions. Key benefits of AI-powered financial advice. Plus tailored recommendations based on individual needs, plus real-time monitoring of financial performance, plus proactive alerts for potential risks and opportunities, plus enhanced decision-making capabilities. Blockchain and peer-to-peer payments. Blockchain technology is set to revolutionize the way we make payments, enabling faster, more secure, and transparent transactions. This decentralized system allows for peer-to-peer payments without the need for intermediaries, reducing costs and increasing efficiency. Key benefits of blockchain-based payments, plus faster transaction processing times, plus enhanced security through cryptography and decentralized networks, plus reduced transaction fees, plus increased transparency and accountability. The future of financial services. As AI and blockchain technologies continue to evolve, we can expect to see significant improvements in the financial services industry. The future of biometric data. Advancements in biometric technology. The integration of biometric data into our daily lives is becoming increasingly prevalent. This trend is driven by the rapid advancements in biometric technology, which have made it possible to collect and analyze biometric data with unprecedented accuracy and speed. Some of the key advancements in biometric technology include improved accuracy. Biometric systems can now detect and identify individuals with a high degree of accuracy, even in challenging environments. Increased speed. Biometric systems can process data in real time, allowing for faster and more efficient authentication and verification processes. Enhanced security. Biometric data can be used to create highly secure authentication systems, reducing the risk of identity theft and unauthorized access. Harnessing AI and smart contracts to revolutionize consumer finance. AI-driven financial planning tools will provide personalized recommendations based on individual preferences and risk tolerance. Smart contracts will automate transactions, eliminating the need for intermediaries and reducing transaction costs. The future of consumer financial management. A new era of personalized finance. The concept of programmable money is poised to revolutionize the way consumers manage their finances. By harnessing the power of artificial intelligence, AI, and smart contracts, this technology will enable individuals to take control of their financial lives like never before. Key features of programmable money. Digital twins of financial profiles. Consumers will be able to create a digital replica of their financial profile, allowing them to simulate and visualize the outcomes of different financial decisions. AI-driven financial planning tools. Personalized recommendations will be provided based on individual preferences and risk tolerance, helping consumers make informed decisions about their financial futures. Smart contracts. Automated transactions will eliminate the need for intermediaries, reducing transaction costs and increasing efficiency. ###The benefits of programmable money ***. The benefits of programmable money. The benefits of programmable money are numerous and far-reaching. By providing consumers with greater control over their financial lives, this technology will enable them to make more informed decisions about their money. Reduced financial stress. Increased transparency. Consumers will have a clear understanding of their financial situation, reducing stress and anxiety. The rise of central bank digital currencies, CBDCs. The world is on the cusp of a revolution in the way we make payments. Central bank digital currencies, CBDCs, are being developed and implemented by central banks across the globe, promising to transform the financial landscape. At the heart of this revolution is the potential to make payments quicker and safer by removing the need for intermediaries. The problem with traditional payment systems rely on intermediaries, such as banks and payment processors, to facilitate transactions. These intermediaries add a layer of complexity and cost to the payment process, making it slower and less secure. The rise of social commerce and personal finance. The intersection of social commerce and personal finance is on the horizon, promising to revolutionize the way we manage our financial lives. Quantum-resistant encryption, QRE, is a new type of encryption that is designed to withstand the potential threats of quantum computers. As we all know, quantum computers have the potential to break many types of encryption currently in use, including RSA and elliptic curve cryptography. However, QRE is a game-changer in this regard. The problem with current encryption. The current encryption methods, such as RSA and elliptic curve cryptography, rely on the difficulty of factoring large numbers. However, quantum computers can factor large numbers exponentially faster than classical computers. This means that if a quantum computer were to be built, it could potentially break many of the encryption methods currently in use. RSA encryption, for example, relies on the difficulty of factoring large numbers. However, a quantum computer could factor these numbers in a fraction of the time it takes a classical computer. Elliptic curve cryptography, on the other hand, relies on the difficulty of computing discrete logarithms.